Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of clothes on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, we can go to this video section, and here we can choose new to start creating new project, and we can choose this blank clip. We're going to import this blank clip to our InShot project. Tap on the blank clip, then tap on this check mark, and now the blank clip has been added to my project, and I'm going to change the aspect ratio. All right, and after that we're going to change the color of this blank clip. We're going to go to the background section, and you can choose the color you want to apply to your clothes. And for example, I'm going to change the color of my clothes to this blue color, so I'm going to select blue. Then we can click on the check mark, and we're going to import the video. Want to change the color of the clothes on, we can go to the PIP option because we want to overlay it. And for example guys, I'm going to change the color of clothes on this video. Oops, I'm going to click on this video, and we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and we're going to use the chroma feature to change the color of clothes. Click on chroma feature, and here you can click on this icon, and we can pick the clothes color like this, and we're going to increase the strength. Oops, okay, I think it's enough. Then for the shadow as well. All right, and this is the final result. Okay, and you can adjust the length. You can just extend this blank clip to make it align with your video. All right, and now it's done. Okay guys, and that's how we can change the color of clothes on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.